How to make money as a copywriter. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money as a copywriter. Copywriting is a very lucrative career, and there are many ways for you to get started. We'll discuss some of the most common methods that copywriters use to make money and help you find the one that is best suited for you. Subscribe now so that you don't miss any of the amazing information in this video. How to get started as a freelance copywriter. Now let's get into the real work on how to get started as a freelance copywriter. Follow these 8 steps and you'll be on your way to a successful freelance copywriting career in no time. Number 1. Pick your niche. As you start out, you may want to write everything you can get your hands on. This may make sense, but in reality it's not sustainable. The most sustainable way to grow your copywriting business is to niche down from the start. What I mean here is to find one area that you're already good at or interested in and work on perfecting your writing skills in that area. For instance, if you have worked for a bank, you have experience in banking and finance, and specializing in financial copywriting, an area you're already familiar with, will give you an edge as a new copywriter. Number 2. Acquire a skill. Remember how we said skills determine how much you earn? Yep, learning an extra skill or two will give you the power to earn more. Number 3. Practice your skill and practice doing jobs for friends and family. Once you learn a new skill, put it into practice. The more you write, the better you'll get at it. Some writing experience is especially necessary for a new copywriter to get a copywriting job. One way to gain some experience is to work for friends and family, either for free or for a few dollars, just to get your foot into the industry. Don't let this go on for too long though, because you're trying to build a sustainable business and a few dollars per job won't get you there. Another good way to practice your writing skills is to start a blog that covers the niche that you picked. A blog will also be a good way to offer potential clients some form of proof that you can actually write. Number 4. Build your personal website and online presence. To get clients, you need to get your name out there where people can find you. Nothing will promote you more than creating an online presence for yourself. You also get to create credibility as a good copywriter so that you can start charging more money. To create an online presence, begin by having your own website. It doesn't have to be fancy, but something simple that shows that you have good copywriting skills. Add a portfolio section on your website and add your best writing samples in there as you continue to gain experience. Number 5. Decide what to charge. As you continue to work on how to become a copywriter, decide how much you want to charge your clients. Remember, we talked about how varied freelance copywriting rates are, so you should come up with a rate that is good for you. This may not be an easy task, but look around at how much other new copywriters are currently charging. Weigh that against your skills and experience, and come up with an average rate. Number 6. Find clients. So here's the real work on how to be a copywriter starts. No clients means no money, and all the skills you've earned and practiced for weeks will be useless. So let's help you get a couple of clients to get you going. 1. Friends and family. Let your friends and family know about your copywriting business and that you're looking for new clients. Request them to send work your way or refer you to their friends or colleagues who may be interested. 2. Business networking events. Go for networking events that potential clients may be attending. These could be both online and offline. Talk to people, give them your business card, and let them know how you can help their business with your copywriting services. 3. Social media. Join Facebook and LinkedIn groups that target businesses in your niche that might be looking for a copywriter. Market yourself as an expert on such groups to gain interest from potential clients. Use your social media platforms to promote your business and let the online world know about your services and that you have room for a few clients. Number 7. Find communities and network. Copywriting communities and networks are not only a great way for finding clients and referrals, but also a great way for newbies to learn about the industry and interact with others to learn more about how to become a copywriter. Joining a community or network of copywriters will also give you a chance to stay up to date with current industry trends and also learn from more experienced copywriters. Number 8. Get reviews and build your portfolio, including case studies. By now, I believe you've started getting some luck finding a few clients. Now it's time to make use of the work that you're doing. Ask your clients to give you feedback and reviews for the work you've done. The more positive the reviews are, the more attractive you will be to potential clients. As you continue working as a freelance copywriter and do more work, remember to add your work samples to your portfolio so that clients can see how good you are at what you do. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.